Children, very warm and welcoming good afternoon. It is my privilege to be your teacher. I am going to teach you people today about the fourth chapter of Vistas of English Core. This fourth chapter's name is there, The Enemy. And this this story has been written by a Chinese writer, Pearl Asbach. A little I would like to talk about Pearl Asbach. Has written many beautiful stories. The stories written by the writer are really useful and valuable. And here this story is going to deal with very valuable aspects of the war. If the war is essential, then how much is there essentiality of peace? And if war is going on, how much essentiality is of taking care of wounded persons? How much essential is capacity, is compassion, is magnanimity, generosity? Humanism is highly essential. And then the two very valuable points, that is the patriotism, Deshbhakti, and professional ethics. That is, children, Vyavasayik Niti, Vyavasayik Naitikta. These two things are very valuable in this particular chapter. Let's talk about the story. The story starts from there when an American prisoner of war, whose name is Tom, was washed away at the seashore. When he was washed away, children, Dr. Hannah and Dr. Sadao, they both were the husband and wife, and they were in a very romantic mood. Their house was on the seashore, and they were enjoying in their balcony, and they were in hand with each other. At that moment, while they were in romantic mood, they were with each other's love and affection, then they observed that a human being came out of the seashore, and the man was limping, was fallen again. Dr. Sadao and his wife, both of them went there. They went to the seashore where the man was fallen, and they took from there the man and brought to their house. In their house, they washed the man. Their servants, who observed that Japan was in a complete war, strong war with America, and at that time, this Dr. Sadao sheltered, harbored an American prisoner of war. The servants talked about that the owner is so much proud of his capacity, of his efficiency of taking and caring people, of his medical efficiency. And they thought that his owner or their owner should not have taken care of that wounded American soldier. But Dr. Sadao and his wife Anna both helped and cared the man. They asked Yumi to bring the hot water. Yumi brought the hot water, but she did not wash the man. And Dr. Hannah, she was forced to wash. She went and washed the man. The blood and mud which was pasted over the man made their father's quilts dirty, made the room dirty. But in spite of that, they cared. Dr. Sadao brought his instruments and he tried to take care of the man, wash his wound, and tried to search in wound what was there. His finger touched the bullet. When he observed the bullet, he all his instruments and asked Dr. Sadao to give him anesthesia. The man was given anesthesia, and after being given anesthesia, he lost his consciousness, and this way Dr. Sadao was able with his instruments to bring out the bullet. When Dr. Sadao was doing his work, his all absorption, he used to say, the person's faint, and he said that enemy faints many times. And when he brought out the bullet from his wounded part, the man, means American prisoner of war, whose name is Tom, cried out, oh, they have got my guts, they have got my guts. उन्होंने मेरी आंतें निकाल दी. इस तरह से बच्चों operated and took care. After operation, all the servants revolted. They all were ready to leave the job, and those all were given their required amount. They all left the home. Yumi talked to Dr. Hannah that she would be asked if the child weeps. But Dr. Hannah and Sadao, they were such a self-confident person that they worked hard and took care of. On third day, a very different type of happening took place. As they both were in pressure of being caught by the Japanese armies and being treated as a traitor. But what happened on that day that is really valuable? Some police officers came. The police officers were in police uniform, and Dr. Hannah was so much worried when she saw the police officers. She thought that her servants might have reported to the police. But the policemen who came, they talked to Dr. Sadao, and they told them that General of Japan, General Takima, want to see Dr. Sadao for the purpose of his treatment. When Dr. Sadao went to General Takima, he talked to him, he treated him. At that moment, while he was talking to him, he told him that there was an American prisoner of war, and he told also that he had operated him, and after being operated, he was going to better day by day. In this way, General promised him that he would send, General would send Dr. Sadao's room, his private assassins, murderers, and those murderers will kill that American prisoner of war. And they were the expert persons by killing without noise. And then they would take away the dead body of the American prisoner of war. Likewise, children, one day Dr. Sadao was in great anxiety. Second day went, Dr. Sadao was also in great anxiety, and third day also gone. But General Takima might have forgotten, might have not sent. And on fourth day also, when Dr. Sadao went to the garden, he observed that the American prisoner of war was better and he was moving. Dr. Sadao checked him, suggested him prescription. He revived Dr. Hannah, fed him with her hands like a small child, and he was getting okay day by day. Later on, children, Dr. Sadao asked him, don't tell me your name. By the way, Dr. Sadao, who had been studying at America, where he had been the victim of racial discrimination, the victim of ethnicity, the woman who was his landlady, where he used to live, she was so valuable. The professor of anatomy, who used to roar in his classes about the teaching, about the learning, about the doctor's operation, and used to say that if any doctor is without knowing the disease and the person's body structure going to operate, then that is a murder, that is a sin. Such type of sentences used to run in his mind. and Dr. Sadao could not abstain himself about the atrocity, full of atrocity and full of misbehavior of those American people with whom he studied. But here, children, he was behaving quite different. He was behaving very valuable as per his professional ethics, as per humanism, as per magnanimity and kindness. Dr. Sadao cared Tom very well. He not only cared but treated well, offered him complete hostship, complete value and virtue. Later on, when there were no assistants and General Takima did not send anyone, Dr. Sadao thought a plan. He talked to the American prisoner of war that it is better you go from here now. Now you are okay, you are fit and fine. And Dr. Sadao offered him his small boat, offered him Japanese type of clothes, offered him water bottle, some other clothes, some eatables, and asked him there is an island. On that island there are always Korean fish boat comes, and the American prisoner of war can take the help of any Korean fishing ship and can go to America to his place. Dr. Sadao offered him everything. When Dr. Sadao offered him his torch, the torch, that is flashlight, was really valuable to him because he used to carry with him when he used to go to see the patient in the night time. At the dark time, children. He offered him each and everything, offered him boat, offered him Japanese clothes, and asked him not to cook over there, not to burn a fire. And again suggested him, if his food is over and he was not able to getting any Korean fishing boat or ship, then what to do? He would give him flashlight. At the evening time, not the complete night, that we observed. And Dr. Sadao would help him by offering the eatables, by offering the clothes, by offering the other things which were required. This way, Dr. Sadao helped, cared, treated, and Tom, American prisoner of war, safely moved from Dr. Sadao's house. Children, this lesson is basically a very valuable lesson and tells us about humanity, professional ethics, value and virtue of human life, as well as taking care of everybody. तो बच्चों, इस पाठ पे आपने सीखा कि किस तरह से सभी का ध्यान रखना चाहिए, दुश्मनी भुला करके भी प्रेम करना चाहिए। ये इस पाठ की सीख है। हम चाहते हैं आप बहुत आनंद से सीखो और आपका दिन बहुत बहुत शानदार हो। हैव ए गुड डे एंड लवली लर्निंग विद मी। थैंक यू ऑल।